traders, welcome to the Toolkit for Traders YouTube channel, a brand new channel giving traders the tools for trading success. So what is this channel all about? Well, we're here really to give you free trading education, free indicators, free expert advisors, and no premium content ever. Sounds pretty good? I think so. But what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. I have a passion for coding, trading and teaching. I've done them all for a number of years and I do all this for fun, and I just really wanted to share some of the things that I do with the wider community. The other thing I've noticed in my few years of trading is that retail trading is the new Wild West. There's too many premium educators and holy grail peddlers out there, and we need some honesty and integrity out there. So that's what I'm here to do. So the quote for this video, I like to do for all of them, is a good quote to inspire us. And this one is from Ralph Waldo Emerson, who was a writer in the 19th century America. The desire for gold is not for gold, it is for the means of freedom and benefit. And I think that reflects what a lot of people want to get out of trading. Is not the trading itself, but the freedom and the benefits out there. But when Mr. Emerson here was writing this quote about gold prospected in the 19th century, I think a lot of that is reflected in the retail trading sphere today. And there's a lot of people out there trying to prey on your desire to be successful. So we're here to do the opposite of that and help you to do well. So if you like this video, if you're looking forward to the content, please make sure you like the video below. Click the subscribe and the bell button so you get notified when all the new content is out. We're going to start with some really good stuff very soon to do with coding, your own indicators and expert advisors. And if you've got any comments or questions or suggestions for things you'd like to hear about, drop them in the comment section below and I will get back to you. Thanks, have a good day.